If your iPhone camera is showing a black screen on iOS 26.2.1, here's how to fix it quickly. First, the most effective solution is to force restart your iPhone. Here's how to do it. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Do not slide to power off. Keep holding the side button until the device restarts. In most cases, this immediately fixes the black camera screen because it clears temporary system glitches. If the issue continues, open the camera app, switch between the front and back camera a few times, and close the app completely from the app switcher. You should also go to Settings, General, Software Update, and make sure you're on the latest version of iOS. And that's it. That's how you fix the iPhone camera black screen on iOS 26.2.1. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes.